In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a new profile in Mozilla Firefox, which is super useful if you want to separate your work and personal browsing. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open Mozilla Firefox and make sure you are connected to the internet. And I want you to hover to the search address bar and type in about profiles. What will happen is it will be forwarded here. Now, this page is called the Firefox Profile Manager, where you can create, delete, or switch between different profiles. Now, for us to be able to create a new profile, all we have to do is very simple. As you can see, you have the option here to create a new one. Click this small button, okay? And you will be forwarded with a series of instructions. And I just want you to follow all of them, all right? So enter a new profile name. For example, we're going to be using this one for now. Click the finish button. It's super simple, all right? Now, after that, if you hover down below, as we can see that we have created a new profile. Now, here you have many options. You can rename if you want, okay? For example, click OK. And if you want to remove that as well, you can do so. And you can always launch the new profile in a new browser. So this is going to be the new profile. And basically, that's how you create a new profile in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.